Hi there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use card visualization in Power BI. So, are you ready? Let's begin. So, we're going to make like this sample card. So, how to make it? Okay. So, why do we use card visualization? Actually, it highlights key metrics like totals, averages, or any critical number in your report. Okay, so actually we use card. Actually it is like a tool, like it displays a single important value. You see 1480 is 1480 is comes from the data, so it's the aggregate value of implies. So how? Okay, we're going to make it this card. First, we're doing create a basic card. Okay, so for creating a basic card, we go to visualization pane and click and card icon. You see it looks like a number in a box. Then I'm going to click it. You see it now is empty, card is open now. So I want to put values, right? This is 1480 aggregate values. So how I do it? So do you see this employee ID data, and then I drag and then paste here into empty card. Okay, so this is one step, and there is another step. You can do same step. So again you click on card icon, and then you drag this same employee ID into the field. You find same thing. Okay, actually we want to see number, right? Number implies. So actually we come here in field and then click on count. You see now count values. So this is a simple basic card. So you want to make it this card into attractive. You want to change its format. You come here, format your visual, and then call out value, and then you can resize of text. I want to like 35. Okay, you see, and then I want a bold, and then you want to change its color even white. So I don't want to, because background is white. So, and I don't want to see this count of employee ID. So I turn off category label. So now I want to write by myself the count of employees, text I mean. So I come here in general, and then I turn on title, and then in title I want to write down count of employee. Okay, so you can resize the text, you can bold, it's up to you. Okay, it looks not good, count of employees in left, aligned. So why not make it in center? Now it looks good. You can more bigger. Okay, so but it's not looks good, not looking more pretty. So we come to an effect, and then we can change the background. I choose white 10% darker. You can choose it, and then you can do like transparent, like it's up to you. And then you want to like size, resize, come to the properties, and then I do 150 height and 150 width. You see it's look good. You can do like this way as well. Okay, so this we have made it simple card. You can change its color. So again come here Now change into white color. You can do it. Even for title you can do it in white, so we have done it. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.